Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to talk about causes of itchy scalp and natural home remedies for the treatment of itchy scalp. So let's get right into the video. Natural home remedies for itchy scalp. Just imagine yourself with an itchy scalp, scratching your head all day. Is it not irritating and embarrassing? How to stop an itchy scalp? Fret not. There are plenty of home remedies that help treat an itchy scalp. They help improve the health of your scalp, and consequently, your hair. In this video, we will discuss few easy and effective ways to reduce the itching of your scalp naturally at home. Home remedies for an itchy scalp. 1 apple cider vinegar. How to use. Dilute 1/4 cup of ACV in 1 cup of water. Apply this mixture to the scalp. Leave it on for 10 minutes and rinse. You can do this twice a week for the best results. Why does this work? Anecdotal evidence suggests this mixture relieves an itchy scalp and inflammation. ACV has antifungal activity. It can help reduce scalp buildup and dandruff that may cause an itchy scalp. ACV has been found to exhibit some antifungal activity. This is an easy and effective itchy scalp home remedy you can try. 2 tea tree oil. How to use. Apply 5 to 10 drops of the oil directly to the scalp. Massage it in for a few minutes. Let it work on your scalp overnight. Rinse your hair in the morning. Repeat this twice or thrice a week. Why does this work? Tea tree oil can kill lice and may soothe an itchy scalp. It also moisturizes and nourishes the scalp and eliminates dryness. It contains terpenes that have antibacterial and antifungal properties. These may help treat scalp infections. 3 aloe vera. How to use. Remove the gel from the aloe vera leaf and apply it directly to the scalp. You can use store-bought gel if you do not have access to the aloe vera plant. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water to ensure the gel is washed off easily. Do this once or twice a week. Why does this work? Aloe vera gel is a natural moisturizer that soothes an itchy scalp. Its antimicrobial and soothing properties also help treat dandruff and an itchy scalp. 4 onion juice. How to use. Peel and grate 1 small onion. Squeeze out the juice and apply to the scalp thoroughly with a cotton ball. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse as usual with shampoo. Repeat once every week. Why does this work? The antimicrobial properties of onions may keep the scalp free of infection. Onions' antioxidants may reduce any scalp inflammation and keep it healthy. Note, onion juice might cause an allergic reaction in some people when applied directly. Hence, do a patch test before using it on your scalp. 5 neem oil. How to use. Add 6 to 8 drops of neem oil to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and mix well. Apply the mixture to the scalp and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse hair with a mild shampoo. You can repeat this twice or thrice a week for quick relief from an itchy scalp. Why does this work? The antimicrobial properties of neem and its extracts have been utilized for centuries. Neem oil could work by clearing the infection that causes itchiness. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, please considering subscribing to our channel and don't forget to like the video. See you in the next video. God bless and stay blessed. Bye bye.